Assalamu alaikum students. In our next session we'll solve the problems relating to linear equations with the help of Cramer rule. Let me say something about this Cramer rule, that it is named after its innovator, the Swiss mathematician Gabriel Cramer. He introduced this rule to solve the linear equation systems in 1750. Consider the following system of linear equation: 2x plus y is equal to 3, 6x plus 5y is equal to 1. I have to solve this system of linear equation with the help of Cramer rule. Yesterday I told you how you can transform this coefficient of these variables into matrix form. Just the same, the matrix of coefficients for this variable is this: a is equal to 2, 1, 6, 5 and b is equal to 3, 1. There is a little bit difference in both the methods. Cramer rule is a little bit easy one because you have to perform very few steps to solve the equations. Now transform this matrix into a determinant form. Mod A is equal to 2, 1, 6, 5. Let us calculate the value of determinant. 2 multiplied by 5 minus 1 into 6. 2 5s are 10 and 6 1s are 6, 4. Again this is not equal to 0. So the solution is possible because A is a non-singular matrix. Now point to be noted here that in this method you have to calculate this AX. This is the column for the coefficient of x. So replace this 3, 1 by this column, just like this: 3, 1 is equal to 1, 5. Now start calculating this determinant. 3 5s are 15 minus 1 1 are 1, 15 minus 1 is equal to 14. Now calculate AY. Now notice that in this matrix these are the coefficients of a variable y. So replace this column with this one, just like this: 2, 6, 3, 1. Calculate this: 2 1s are 2 minus 6, 3 6 are 18. It will give you minus 16. Now this is the formula to calculate the value of x. Now mod AX, what is the value of mod x? Is equal to 14, and the value of determinant A is equal to 4. You can simplify it: 2 7s are 14 and 2 2s are 4. It will give you the value of x is equal to 7 over 2. Repeat the same procedure for y to calculate the value of y. Mod AY over mod A. We have already calculated the value of AY. It is minus 16 here. So minus 16 over 4 is equal to minus 4. You get the solution set as 7 over 2 into minus 4. So this was the method to find the solution set of a linear equation system with the help of Cramer rule. I think you understand it. All the questions in this exercise from problem 1, question number 1 to 8 part, you can easily solve with the help of this method, but note that the answer will be the same for both the methods. The answer will be the same for both the methods. So end for today. Allah Hafiz. See you. Goodbye.